Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and very interesting day today. Of course, it's Patch Tuesday. Security updates aplenty, and of course, there's a lot of security updates in there. So if we look here at this list from GHacks, it always has kind of a rundown of how many vulnerabilities for each version of Windows and so on. So here's the thing. So here's what's fixed and what they are fixing. Windows 7, you got 23 vulnerabilities, okay, 23 flaws. 2 are rated critical, including the one that's actually rated that it's already exploited by bad guys. 21 are rated important. If we look at Windows 8.1, 23 security flaws. 1 rated critical, which is the one that exploited by bad guys, and 22 are rated important. In Windows 10, so there are different versions of Windows 10 being, of course, fixed today. Version 1703 has 28 flaws, 1 critical, 27 important. 1709, the Fall Creators Update, 29 flaws, 1 critical, 28 important. Version 1803 and version 1809, the 2 versions from last year, April and October update. 29 security flaws, 1 critical, 28 important. So that's kind of interesting. And 29 and 1 is also, I believe, for version 1903. There's something interesting happening today also, because even though they, of course, check the different version products and so on, one of the things that's kind of interesting is that Windows XP, yes, Windows XP is actually being fixed today. So if you're still having a Windows XP machine around, if you still got a Windows XP machine that is connected to the internet somehow, there's a security update today. But the problem is, it's not going to appear in Windows Update. You'll have to go to the Microsoft Update catalog and download it manually. And that 5 years after it ended support. Just crazy. So it shows you that that flaw is so critical. It's so important that they actually said, well, you know what, let's fix Windows XP just to make sure that we stay safe everywhere. So you got to go to the Microsoft Update catalog if you have Windows XP to actually get this update manually. Because it apparently is so easy to just get exploited by that and simply get malware, that you just need to do it if you're connected to the internet, of course. And also, these flaws are actually telling us that it's very important to update today your different Windows products. Apparently, that flaw, the one that is very critical, that is exploited already, apparently is very active, and a lot of people can get burned by that. It's interesting because I got a wallpaper with little candles here. Get burned. So it's easy to get burned by this security flaw, and it's very, very important for everybody to update their systems today. So check it out, update. Just go to your Windows updates. Make sure that you have the latest updates. I always guess every month, like, well, yeah, they don't these come in automatically and so on. Yes, they do, but you know what? Reminding everybody that that exists is important. And this is the important security update. And this is the important updates you need to see on your PC. I get people saying, well, sometimes you talk about bug fixes and I don't see the updates. Bug fixes doesn't matter, especially if your PC works well. But this is security, and security is very, very important. So you have to install these updates. If you don't see them in the next few days, obviously there's something wrong with your PC. Make sure that you actually have these updates. And also, of course, the security update for Adobe Flash Player and the .NET security update. That was also bundled in here. Of course, there's also the Windows malicious tool that is updated every month. That's updated today also. So check it out. It's very important, and that's going to make you or help you stay safe on your PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.